Money going out faster than it's coming in. When I think it's gonna be alright, I'm up worrying all night. I can't seem to catch up, no matter what I do. Everyone gets coin before me, and there's never enough to pay me. I'm not here to work for free, I'm here to set my business up so I'm free. My mate is using the G.O.A.T Tradie App. He's in control of his financials and ain't looking back. I've hopped on the G.O.A.T Tradie App, and I've got money in my bank. With my financials in control, I'm on a roll. You can download the G.O.A.T Tradie Business App to set you free. It's on the Apple and Google Play Store, and there's heaps more inside to open.